let's move on to the next segment, right? So in this segment, we're going to be talking about how financial modeling has basically boosted your career, if I must say. And I would just like to ask Gboyinde, in terms of your professional trajectory, how has having this certification helped you?
Okay, so it was good, an advantage that yes, I started with accounting, and at the time when I told myself I wanted to become an analyst, I was still, with the financial reporting team, and as much as possible, I knew that yes, financial reporting or financial accounting is basically routine. It's routine now. It's very mundane. Once you get this, you get that done. But I wanted something that was very, that would move your mind and help you to work with different scenarios all at once. So afterwards, I was moved to the financial planning. I applied for a position there, and my current organization, I was moved to financial planning. Then I was able to then work with different project models and the likes. So I'll say yes, the way financial modeling has helped me to move on my career trajectory. At the end of the day, I don't know what I would be, but I know that one thing that I want to achieve is to be able to have to impact businesses with financial strategic leadership. And to be able to do that, I must understand first the numbers. I must understand how the numbers move, how the numbers affect, are affected by given scenarios, how the numbers are affected by given competitors, and all that can actually be summed up by saying that yes, then I must understand how a modeler actually works, how a data analyst actually works, then understand maybe cross-functional units, or how they actually impact the finance role in itself. So financial modeling has so far been my guide. In my current role, where I manage a real estate, a home financing business that helps people to pay in bids to acquire homes, there is no day that I do not make a model for a person. So the model can be as small as a little simulation to as large as a business model or a business forecast that then tells you how it reads for a number of years. So when you start first by maybe by coming into academy, the academy is very rigorous. That 8 weeks, if you are dedicated to it, even if you do not have accounting background, I must mention, the academy would help you to understand what it takes to actually build a model. As far as everybody knows maths, we might not like it, but yes, we know it. So as far as you understand numerics, you would be able to build that model to the end. So once you are able to build the model to the end, you are then able to understand business in its sense, then finance, even for non-finance people. And that in itself had helped me so far to understand, okay, what at every level I find myself, to understand what next I want to do, what next I want to learn, how best I can support my given line or even my current business at that current level. So I'll say yes, financial modeling has largely helped me in my career. And aside from even the 9 to 5, on a personal base, just as Hafsa has said, the financial modeling helps you to take on business